How to get Temu referrals. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can get referrals on Temu, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to get Temu referral codes so that you can enter them whenever you actually create a brand new account, what you can do is you can just come to this link, which is referralcodes.com/shop/Temu-referral. I'll make sure to drop a link below, and then here you can see some of the Temu referral codes right over here, and you can simply go ahead and tap on the get code button and then just go ahead and follow the prompts and then get the code of this specific person. Once you get the code of this specific person, you will be able to successfully go ahead and then actually get the referral code. Or else if you want to share your own code, you can tap on share your Temu referral now, and then you can actually just create your Temu account and then share your referral codes as well. So I hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.